Which one of the following option given here is correct based on a given situation? Whereas the situation is given as the bullock cart is rolling on a level road as shown in a figure below, and in the figure there is a point represented P and Q. It was representing the highest and lowest point on a wheel. When a wheel rolls without slipping on a level road, the motion of each point in a wheel is a combination of translation and rotational motion. It's known that the rotational motion is due to the spinning of wheel, and we can say the translation motion is due to the forward velocity of a wheel center. Here it's given in the question, the wheel is moving with a velocity of v. It's known that at point P, there will be two velocity. Those are translational and tangential, and they will be in the same direction as well. So here we can write V plus V. This V is representing the translational velocity. This V is representing the tangential velocity. So here at point P, we can say the velocity will be 2V. Similarly, at the lowest point Q, we can say it will have a translational velocity and tangential velocity, but they will be opposite in direction. So here we can write the total velocity will be v plus minus v because they will be in opposite direction. This minus is representing the opposite of 1. So here the resultant velocity will be 0 meter per second. So we can say at point P, there will be higher velocity compared to point Q. So based on this, we can say the point P moves faster than point Q. So the correct answer for the question is option D.